Today we're just going to be doing a maintenance adjustment, no major complaints. He gets adjusted. Patience all week, goodness. Hi everybody, it's Dr. Cassie Stringer from Advanced Health Chiropractic here in the South Loop in Chicago. Today I'm going to be adjusting my husband and co-owner, Dr. Luke Stringer. Today we're just going to be doing a maintenance adjustment, no major complaints. He gets adjusted 3 times a week, as do I, so he's feeling really good. So we're just going to do a maintenance adjustment today. Right now I'm just checking the hips and the hips here, and his right hip is higher stuck, so we're going to go ahead and get some motion in there for him so he's moving properly. Nice job. Just going to check out some movement and tightness in the lumbar spine there. Some lower lumbar tightness, probably tenderness. Now we're going to go through the ribs and get some good motion. Definitely tightness in between the shoulder blades and lower thoracics for him. And we're going to do a mid-back adjustment. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. And he always gets locked up here. And check the neck. Tightness on the right side. Obviously he's using that a ton for adjustments. By adjusting patience all week, guys. And again, that right side was tight, so I'm going to have you lay on your left side. Like, go on the other side. Go on your back. We're going to check the neck. You can already see he's pulling here to the right side. A lot of tightness both sides. Mid neck, more so on the right than the left. Again, he's right dominant, so. Nice job. That's a full body adjustment here. Now he's ready to work.
So if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you like and follow the page. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe and like the videos. I'll see you on the next one.